Let's go. Yeah, make it look easy. Hey, stand up guy, boom, 10 toes. Big body pull up in a Range Rover. I can change the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a thing for me. I never switched up, no change in me. The only thing changing this season, you go against me, then you know that you tweaking, okay?
Hey legends, how you doing? Julian here from Gasoline Alley Harley-Davidson. Just want to have a chat to you about our toolbox. Snap-on Harley-Davidson toolkit. It's got everything you need to keep you on the road. Chuck it in the van, chuck it in the car, keep it in the garage, whatever you need, in-store and online.
There you go.
This guy thinks we're at work. I'm at work. I guess you're on the clock, aren't you?
I guess so.
Might as well get him working.
Reckless talk. Reckless talk, but I got expensive habits. Don't step in soul. I'm a real one, check my fabric. Ay, I said reckless talk, but I got expensive habits. Don't step in soul. I'm a real one, check my fabric. Look at my fabric, out of this atlas, I point way. I got a passion mixed with action, boy, don't play. Look at my fabric, out of this atlas, I point way. I got a passion mixed with action, boy, don't play. Look at my fabric, way mixed with action, play. I got this atlas, way. I got a passion, yeah, play. I got a passion. static, ready on go. Don't let it unfold. Be smart, if you're ready, let's roll. Feeling like this, you never get in my zone. That's me, man, I'm standing on my own. Man, we ain't one of the same, one of the ways I do this. All of my loan, I'm back in my zone again. No way can I hold it in. Nigga me when I'm growing them. I'm the OG colder than cold fan. From the west to the east when I'm blowing it. I'm showing them how to make music. Look at me, I don't break rules again. I'ma go for cruise for them. Show them how to win, not lose again. Whoa, look at the way that we walk, it's a habit. Look at the
Bet you're loving fixing my shit again. Always. He lives for it. But how cool is this, guys? So my motor is absolutely a weapon now. But the problem we have is my brakes haven't been serviced in, well, the entire life of the brakes. So we're changing out all my calipers. Ryan is currently ripping apart my pistons. And I don't know if this is normal or not, but oops, focus, you bitch. Hello. Focus. There we go. Apparently your pistons aren't supposed to be caked in rubber. He seems real happy about it. Oh, that looks way better, mate.
Giving them your 1200 scrub, making sure not to thin them out too much for the seals.
Hell yeah, so we put a new seal kit in all of them. I learnt today that your calipers come in pieces like this. I never knew they come apart. I'm like, wow, that must have been real hard to get to if you chop them in half. Anyway, I'm a mechanic. Today, guys, I'm a mechanic. My van was broken. I pulled bits of it off and put bits of it back together and didn't change a damn thing, and all of a sudden it was fixed. So Ryan's calling me a mechanic today. He might be a mechanic of everything, but I am just the mechanic. Anywho, I'm super stoked because for all the years I've been riding a Harley, one thing I've always hated was, where's the tire? Was all of this sidewall. When you're doing wheelies, it bounces. Like if you let your tire down, so then you've got bounce, you've got flex, all that. And I've always wished you could put sports bike tires like I have on the front with a tiny wall so there's no flex. But I was digging through the shelving at Gasoline Alley and I found this gem. This is a wheel off a Sportster Super Low. All these years I didn't know that there was a model Sportster that came out with a 17-inch rim. Now, as you can see, 17-inch rim means no sidewall. Also means I can fit like sports bike tires, like learner bikes have got 150s, Supermoto tires, all them come with a lot more softer tire. So I'm gonna have a lot more grip and a lot less sidewall. So that is all the stuff that I've been wishing I had forever and ever and ever. And let's top it off. Look how good it looks. It looks sick.
Obvious whatever gain control. Nothing in this world is simple. No.
They would have been spare parts if I did this.
Why does it take two seals? They only need one.
Oh, look what I found.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, yummy. So that's why they've been, they got water in them. They're meant to look like that.
Yeah.
Ew. Yeah, but there's no rubber build-up like the other ones, so. Look at the colour of the shit coming out of them.
Oh, brother.
They've been getting really, really hot and hard every time I try to ride.
We're going to be back to Stoppy City in no time, dude.
Hell yeah, in the car park later.
Yeah, let's get it done. Brother.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Enrique,
Brake fluid.
see what happens when you don't flush your brake fluid?
Ever?
Ever?
You what?
Couldn't wait for you.
You couldn't wait for me?
Yeah, I was going to wait so you could see it, but
Oh, it was disgusting.
behind the piston was sediment.
Oh my
There wasn't
God.
any fluid.
I don't know. Here you go. You can hold that for me.
It's too close, bro.
I know. Stand back then.
Even this is too close. You have to edit all while we're recording.
I'm a mechanic. I've got tools. Qualified.
I'm a mechanic, strict bumps.
Yeah, spacing out them calipers because while they would touch in and drag in and wrecking stuff.
To the finish line, seatbelt fast, got a winner mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no team of mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down this dirt road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, and let go. Think about the ones and let go. I thought by now you forgive me. No, it's not easy forgiving.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. It is a bit of a mix-up. We have doing the brakes on my sporty ASBK Race Your Mates from Gasoline Alley, but that just goes to show how action-packed I am at the moment. Loving every second of it. Very grateful to be doing what I love for a living, and it's not without the help from all my sponsors and all of you guys. So please keep watching, like and subscribe to my page. I can't say that, but yeah. Thanks guys, and I will see you at the next one.